Hello, in this lesson we shall be looking at depreciation. So what is depreciation? Depreciation is to do with something losing value. A good example of something that depreciates in value is a car. Once you buy a car from a car shop and start driving it, it starts losing value. The mileage goes up, it starts to wear and tear, and after a couple of years, it would have depreciated by a certain percentage. Depreciation is the opposite of compound interest. In both, there is a change in the original amount, whereas the original amount increases each year in compound interest. In depreciation, it decreases each year. So we calculate depreciation in the same way as we calculate compound interest. The only difference being that instead of using a repeated percentage increase, we use a repeated percentage decrease. Now instead of amount, let's say depreciated value as we are calculating depreciation. Let's look at some examples. So here it says calculate the depreciated value and depreciation on an initial value of 40,000 naira over 5 years at 6% per annum.